Welcome to the market's mindset. There's a lie that most traders are told at the very beginning of their journey. It's repeated so often that people accept it without question. And yet, it's one of the biggest reasons why so many accounts get drained, so many dreams get crushed, and so many new traders walk away from the markets thinking it's impossible to win. That lie is this: the more you trade, the more money you'll make. On the surface, it makes sense. If you want to succeed at anything, you put in more reps. If you want to get fitter, you go to the gym more. If you want to learn guitar, you practice more. More effort, more activity, more time in, equals more results. But here's the dangerous truth about trading: that formula doesn't work here. In fact, it often works in reverse. Because in trading, more is not better. More trades usually mean more mistakes. More trades mean more emotional decisions. And more trades mean more money leaking out of your account. Why the lie feels true now? You might be thinking, wait a minute, if I'm a trader, isn't my job to trade? And that's exactly why this lie is so powerful. It plays into our instincts. When you sit down in front of the charts and nothing is happening, you feel restless. You feel like you should be doing something. You feel like you're wasting time if you're not in a position. That's the trap. The lie whispers, if I just take more trades, I'll increase my chances of hitting a winner. But in reality, what you're doing is watering down your edge. You're taking setups you never planned for. You're chasing entries out of boredom. And slowly but surely, you're handing your money back to the market. The cost of believing the lie. So what happens when you buy into this idea that more trades equals more profits? You overtrade. You start taking positions outside your plan. Instead of waiting for your A-plus setups, you convince yourself that every small fluctuation might be an opportunity. You burn out. Overtrading doesn't just drain your account, it drains your energy. You're glued to the screen for hours, taking dozens of trades, and ending the day mentally exhausted with nothing to show for it. You destroy discipline. Every time you take a trade that doesn't fit your plan, you weaken your rules. And once your rules are gone, your consistency is gone too. You feed the emotional cycle. Here's how it plays out. You take a bad trade, you want to make it back, you take another, then another. Before you know it, you're deep into revenge trading. And all of it started because you believed the lie that you needed to be more active. What professionals know, here's the reality. Professional traders don't measure their success by the number of trades they take. Some of the best traders in the world might only take 1 or 2 trades in an entire week. And yet, those trades are carefully chosen, planned, and executed with discipline. They know something most beginners don't. Trading isn't about being busy, it's about being patient. Because in the long run, one high-quality trade is worth more than 10 random ones. Flipping the lie on its head. So how do you avoid falling into this trap? You flip the lie on its head and make this your new rule. The less I trade, the better I trade. That doesn't mean you never take positions. It means you filter aggressively. You only allow yourself to enter when your plan, your criteria, and your risk management all line up. Here's what that looks like in practice. Define your A-plus setups. Be crystal clear about what you're looking for. What conditions need to be present before you enter. If it's not all there, you don't trade. Set a daily trade limit. Give yourself a maximum number of trades per session. When you hit it, you stop. No exceptions. Respect your session boundaries. Choose your trading window and stick to it. No sneaking back onto the charts at random times to just check. Measure execution, not trades. At the end of the day, don't ask yourself, how many trades did I take? Ask, did I follow my rules? That's the metric that matters. The big mindset shift, the shift from more trades to better trades, is massive. It changes the way you see the market, and it changes the way you see yourself. Suddenly, you're no longer a gambler glued to the screen chasing excitement. You become a strategist, a professional, someone who knows that discipline, not activity, is the real path to profits. And here's the best part. When you start trading less, your results usually improve. Your win rate increases because you're only taking quality setups. Your stress levels drop because you're no longer chained to the screen all day. And your confidence grows because you're finally in control. Final message, so let me leave you with this. Don't fall for the lie. Don't let the market trick you into thinking activity equals progress, because this trading myth is costing you thousands. The truth is simple. It's not about trading more, it's about trading better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.